All right, so we're gonna start by labeling what the problem has given you. Okay, points N and M and N are the midpoints of sides P and PA and PB. So we can just do PM and P and MA are congruent, and PN and NB are also congruent. Right away, we know that P triangle P M and N is similar to P sorry P P A and B. So we know that because number one, we know that because of side, angle, side. And you might be asking which angle. It's angle P. So side, angle, side, and side, angle, side. Because it's just P triangle P, M, and N is half of P, A, and B. 1/4 of P, A, and B. So after we know that, we can start by crossing out the quantities that don't change. So the first quantity is the length of the segment M and N. It doesn't change because segment A and B doesn't change. And because those two triangles are similar, M and N doesn't change if A and B doesn't change. So that doesn't work. The perimeter of triangle P, A, and B. Well, this one does change because if you move it all the way to the left, obviously it's going to have a different perimeter than than the original position. So this one does change. The area of triangle P, A, and B. The area of triangle P, A, and B doesn't change because they're still the same height. The height is from AB to P, and since the top bar of P, the top bar doesn't change, only only P changes, then the height is still the same, and the base is obviously still the same because only P changes. So that one can be crossed out. The area of trapezoid A, B, N, and M. So this one's an obvious one because we already know that P, M, and N, triangle PMN, and triangle PAB is similar. So they both don't change because if PAB doesn't change, PMN doesn't change. So the area is still the same for both triangles. That means if you subtract, it's still going to be the same answer. So we cross that out. That leaves only one, which is B. And